Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to disable moisture detected on a Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy phone and each time you plug your Samsung phone charger, it says moisture detected and I want to disable this, then there is only one solution for you. If your Samsung phone charging port is not wet or the charger is not wet, but your Samsung phone keeps showing moisture detected and you want to disable this, then here's a quick fix for you. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and do subscribe to our YouTube channel as this really helps us to grow. Now the fastest and only working solution for me that can help you to turn off or disable moisture detected on a Samsung phone is go ahead and open the settings app on your phone. Once you open the settings app on your Samsung Galaxy device, click on this magnify button. So we are doing this due to different setup on the Samsung device. So the way you approach this on A series is different from M series or S series. Then just come to the search and search for fast or fast charging. So just search for either fast or fast charging. Then once you see it under the search result, go ahead and click on that. Then here you should see fast charging. If fast charging is enabled on your Samsung phone, just call me and disable this. Once you disable that, then you're good to go. This will allow your Samsung phone to charge normally and it will also help to disable moisture detected on your Samsung Galaxy device. So if this still persists, what you need to do is you want to make sure you use a cotton board and clean your Samsung phone charging port carefully because of the charging port so that it will not break out. So you might just choose to expose this to a direct light so that the charging port will be dried off and then go back and recharge it, and also make sure that your charger is not wet. Then after trying all this, you clean the charging port, you clean your charger, and at the same time you turn off fast charging on your Samsung Galaxy phone battery settings. Then this should help you to solve moisture detected on your Samsung Galaxy device. So that is basically how to disable moisture detected on a Samsung phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.